If you need to change your Snapchat username a second or third time, watch this video carefully. If you need to change the username a second time, you must update the app. Then open Snapchat application. Now click on the profile icon in the top corner. You can see my username is AmadA4435. Now I will show you how to change the username 2 or 3 times. To do this, first click on the setting icon in the top corner. Now scroll down. Now tap on I need help option. Now tap on search bar and search for change username. Read all the instructions written here and go back. Click here to change the username. Now tap on change username. Tap on continue. You can now change your username. Tap on next. Enter the password here. You can see my username has been changed. Now I will show you a way to change your username a second or third time. Now click on the setting icon above. Scroll down. Tap on I need help. Click on my account and security. Now tap on delete or reactive my account. After disabling the account, create your account on the same number again. When you recreate your account, you can change your account username again.